Kim Wilton and Sylvie Couture are two of three female Chinook pilots flying for Canada in Afghanistan. They say once the helmet goes on and the rotor starts, everyone is equal.
To the job, we move the soldiers out to the FOBs and resupply as required, and it's a regular day in Afghanistan.
But those days will come to an end in July when the 302 women and 2,500 men fighting here in Afghanistan will be brought home, making way for Canada's new training mission in this country to begin.
Over there.
Peter Ackman, CBC News, Kandahar.
And that is early edition.
Where's it?
Tonight, a cab driver in trouble with the law. The snowball fight that led to charges.
Grabbed him by the feet, and then they just started going at him.
Is the government out of touch with public opinion? A Here and Now poll shows that you want more done to reform the fisheries.
It's not a handgun, but it looks like one. Police say victims can't tell the difference.
Well, if they pointed the gun at me, or if they held it in their hand, or whatever, pretty well they asked me to do.
Too many people passing, too many school buses. Now, Big Brother may be watching.
Flurries moving into the island and the cold weather sticking around for Labrador. The full story is coming up.
Good evening and welcome to Here and Now. I'm Debbie Cooper.
And I'm Jonathan Crow.